Bienvenue, le Jardin d'Amour, or in English, welcome to the Garden of Love here in Bana Hills. Any visitor stepping foot here feels like they have entered a fairy tale flower garden. There are over 100 species of flowers from around the world, displaying a variety of colors such as yellow, red, purple, green, and more. The romantic scenery has captivated and enchanted many visitors. That's why it is precisely called the Garden of Love, and many tourists come here to testify to eternal love and capture wonderful moments with their loved ones and family. Here are some notes and tips when visiting this Garden of Love. You're free to explore and take photos in the flower garden, but be mindful not to step on the flowers or break branches, or worse, magkalat, magtampo ng basura kasi sayang ang ganda, di ba? And during summertime, consider bringing sunglasses and umbrellas to protect you from the harsh rays of the sun. This is the flower garden that you can visit here in Bana Hills. But as you can see, ang dami-daming tao. So mahirap mag-aura-aura dito. It's better na makipicture ka na lang sa kanila. Kagaya nito, kasi na lola, kasama ng mga bata, o diba, enjoy na enjoy siya. So ganito na lang. Kasi ang daming tao. Yan. But a very nice garden, full of flowers. There's a coffee shop there, and people everywhere. Jacob is with Cherry and Bonnie. They're trying to buy yung cheese bread, cheese coin bread. So this is where people can rest. Medyo malilim, pero grabe ang daming tao. Although maganda, ganda talaga. Yan o, may ballerina pa doon. Yan, and may mga parang maliliit na flowers like this. This is the wine cellar. Oh, this is cute. May statue ng bata. This is nice. Hello. This is the bar de bay or the wine house. This is the wine presser which they converted into a flower pot. And very nice staircase. And colorful going up to the wine house. So, dito may pagkain din. Pero kami kasi, included na yung package namin with the lunch. So, we're just gonna wait for the lunch. Okay, so, hi! They're in their national costume. Ayan, oh, very nice. Yeah. Oh, look ah. Oh, nice. Oh, nice posing of Lola. Now we're about to visit Lin Hung Pagoda. It is one of the 3 famous pagodas of Da Nang City. It's also known as Spiritual Triangle Lin Ung. Located in a beautiful land at an altitude of nearly 1,500 meters above sea level, and in front of the pagoda there's a special 3-leaf pine tree. The pagoda is a destination of many Buddhists and those who want to find a safe place to retreat and to pray. Have you ever thought of what's the original meaning of Buddha? The religion's founder, Buddha, is considered an extraordinary being, but he's not considered a god. The word Buddha means enlightened. The path to enlightenment is attained by utilizing morality, meditation, and wisdom. Buddha has said to have lived a sheltered life of luxury that was interrupted when he left the palace and encountered an old man, a sick man, and a corpse. Renouncing his princely life, he spent 6 years seeking out teachers and trying various ascetic practices, including fasting, to gain enlightenment. Kainan time! There are many famous restaurants in Bana Hills. Some notable ones include Bana Hills Bar de Bay, Brasserie Wine Cellar Restaurant, Club Buffet Restaurant, Hoi An Restaurant. But among them, the most outstanding is Lavande Restaurant at Bana Hills. Lavande symbolizes luck and harmony. It's named after a typical flower of France. When visiting any restaurant, the quality of the food is what diners are most concerned about. And Lavande's delicious and relatively affordable menu promises to meet this expectation. Here, there is a variety of delicious dishes from all 3 regions of Vietnam. Moreover, for international tourists like us, Lavande Restaurant at Bana Hills offers a menu of European and Western dishes for guests with such preferences. Even yung mga vegetarian dishes, marami din choices dito. And if you want to enjoy Western cuisine like pizza, pasta, various cold cuts, meat dishes, smoked meats, and sausages, marami din dito. Maraming pagpipilian dito sa Lavande Restaurant at Bana Hills. This restaurant offers 2 service options. One is a la carte and one is buffet, with prices starting from around 305,000 Vietnamese dong per person. Sulit na to kasi diners can indulge in a luxurious buffet feast, and this price is considered relatively affordable compared to the quality of food at such an upscale restaurant. O tingnan nyo naman, ang daming meat dishes, diba? May beef briskets. Kanina, meron din kami nakita na lechon kawali. So, napakaraming pagpipilian. Masarap na, affordable pa. Ito naman yung panghimaga section. May mga prutas, may mga desserts, and maraming choices. So, sulit na sulit din, di ba? Yan ang mga bagets ng kasama namin. Mukhang nag-enjoy naman sila. Ito nga, nakain pa oh. As you can see, malinis ang buffet table. Walang mga nakatapon na mga pagkain. Tapos, nire-refill nila kagad yung mga pagkain. O, tingnan nyo. Parang hindi na uubusan, no? Buffet nga talaga Nung kumain kami dito, early pa yan mga before 11 pa. Pero tingnan nyo naman, ang dami ng tao. So, di ba isang sukatan din na masarap ang isang restaurant kapag yung maraming taong tumatangkilik, di ba? Tingnan nyo naman pati dito sa labas. May pagka-alfresco dining na to, pero puno pa rin. So, talagang masarap talagang pagkain dito sa Lavande. Kaya pag kayo pumasyal dito sa Bana Hills, try nyo tong restaurant na to. Nasa 2nd floor to. Pagpasok nyo doon sa may ticketing service, madaling puntahan at makita. Lavande Restaurant. O tara na, sakay na tayo ng cable car. Busog na tayo. And golden hand. Bye-bye. We had fun and we got tired.
Hindi, ano, on time naman kayo, kaya
Oh, so many people. Gusto niya advance.
Hindi, yung tatawagan niya, kasi yung marami. Roller coaster?
What? Oh, really?
Meron?
Yeah, behind you.
Maybe they're constructing.
Ah, yeah.
No, there's people over there.
Hindi.
Sige pa. Uy, nasa pizza. Mukha pala yun. Yes, may mukha. Tapos nakita ko.
Hindi pa operational. Kino-construct. Tinitesting lang yan. Sa mga batang matitigas ang ulo.
Yan naman.
Uy. Castle. Wow.
Parang ano na to. Sa Greece na to. Sakay ka doon. May kung tao doon ba?
Oh, yes, Charlie.
Parang isa France, mama.
Hindi, pwede lang dalawa.
It's like a luge.
Ayun nga yung laro.
It's like a luge.
Tingin yung bata.